Brad Williams, Frugal Finance, how to support family members facing financial hardship. When a family member is dealing with financial difficulties, whether from job loss, medical bills, or mounting debt, they often turn to relatives for assistance. While it's natural to want to help, it's crucial to avoid putting your own finances in jeopardy. Here are practical ways you can provide support without compromising your financial health. Key takeaways: before offering money, assess whether your loved one has a plan to avoid repeating their financial struggles. Make any financial assistance clear, whether it's a loan or a gift, and set terms for repayment if applicable. If you prefer non-cash help, consider paying specific bills directly or providing other types of support. Offering employment or helping with practical resources like budgeting or career advice can also make a difference. Be thoughtful when it comes to lending money and weigh the implications of co-signing a loan. Offer a cash gift. Sometimes the simplest and most effective form of support is offering a cash gift. Before proceeding, determine how much you can afford to give without risking your own financial stability. You can either offer a lump sum or smaller amounts over time to help your family member through their tough period. It's important to clearly communicate that the money is a gift and repayment is not expected. Be mindful of the IRS's annual gift tax exclusion, which in 2025 is set at $19,000 per person, $38,000 for married couples filing jointly. If you exceed this amount, you may need to report the gift. Make a personal loan. If your family member asks for a loan, be clear on the terms and put them in writing. This prevents misunderstanding and protects both parties. Include the loan amount, repayment schedule, interest rate, if any, and the consequences for missed payments. For loans over $10,000 or those with an interest rate differing from the market rate, consider consulting a tax professional to understand the tax implications. Co-sign a loan. Co-signing a loan is a big decision, as it means you'll be responsible for repaying the loan if your family member defaults. It could also negatively impact your credit if payments are missed. Before agreeing to co-sign, carefully review your loved one's financial situation. Ensure they are in a position to repay the loan. Request a copy of their credit report and budget and ask the lender to inform you of any late payments. Protect your own credit score by staying informed about the loan status. Help create a bill-paying plan. Some individuals facing financial hardship may be overwhelmed by the details of managing their money. You can assist them by creating a clear budget and showing them how you organize your own finances. Together, you might identify areas where they can cut back on expenses or find ways to increase income, giving them a clear path towards resolving their financial struggles. Offer employment. If you're not comfortable giving a loan or cash gift, consider hiring your family member for a job. It could be a great way for them to earn the money they need while also contributing to your household or business. Make the terms of employment clear, including job responsibilities, deadlines, and compensation. Remember that offering a job involves clear expectations, just as you would with any other employee. This can be a way to help them financially while ensuring that both parties are satisfied with the arrangement. Provide non-cash assistance. Instead of offering cash, consider giving gift cards or certificates that can be used for essential purchases. This ensures that the support is directed to important needs such as groceries or gas and allows you to maintain some control over how the funds are used. Pay bills directly. If you're able, offer to pay specific bills on behalf of your loved ones. Covering rent, utilities, or insurance premiums can help alleviate their immediate financial burden. By directly handling their payment, you can ensure that they don't fall further behind while they work to stabilize their situation. Help find local resources. If providing financial support isn't an option, you can still assist by helping your family members find local resources. Many communities have services such as career counseling, credit repair programs, and government assistance options that could help your loved one get back on track. By connecting them with professionals or organizations that specialize in their needs, you can play an important role in their recovery without direct financial involvement. FAQs: how much can I give before reporting it to the IRS? For tax year 2025, you can give up to $19,000 per person, $38,000 for married couples without needing to report to the IRS. Can budgeting apps help my family member? Yes, budgeting apps can be useful if your loved one is willing to use them. Apps like You Need a Budget and Simplified by Quicken can help organize finances and track expenses. Take a look at the long list of videos I have under investing and budgeting. a number of free budgeting app resources. These particular resources might cost you money, which is sort of senseless, hence a budget and paying for a budget app. Is it a good idea to lend money to family members? Lending money to a family member can strengthen your relationship, but it comes with risks. There's always the potential for financial strain if the loan isn't repaid. So it's crucial to weigh the pros and cons before deciding. Conclusion, supporting family members in financial trouble can be a delicate balance. It's important to consider both their needs and your own financial security, whether you choose to offer a cash gift, a loan, employment, or simply help them access resources. Make sure that the form of support is clear and manageable for both parties. Helping doesn't always have to involve money. There are plenty of ways to provide meaningful assistance that can make a real difference in a loved one's recovery from financial hardship. Are you a family member that's supporting another family member? On the other hand, looking for help from family members? Comment. Brad Williams, Frugal Finance. Thanks for watching. Hope that helps. See you soon.